We will talk about Python fundamentals. Python character set. It is a set of valid characters that Python can recognize. A character represents letters, digits, or any symbol. The Python support the Unicode encoding standards. The following are the Python character set. That is the letters from capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. Digits from 0 to 9. Special symbols, that is space, plus, minus, multiply, divide, parenthesis, tiles, single quotes, exclamation, at the rate, and so on. White spaces such as blank space, enter, tab. Other character, Python can process all ASCII and Unicode as a part of data or literal. Next, we will talk about the tokens. The tokens are the smallest individual unit of a program, which is known as tokens. In a passage of text, individual words and punctuation marks are also called tokens, or the lexical units or the lexical elements. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as tokens. Python has the following tokens: keywords, identifiers, that is called the names, literals, operators, and punctuators. Keywords, which are called the reserved words or the built-in words of a particular programming language. They are having some special meaning for the Python interpreter. Every keyword is assigned a specific word and it can be used only for that particular purpose only. The partial use of keywords in a Python. There is a list of keywords which are available in a Python, that is and, while, or, if, except, etc. Identifiers are the names given to different parts of program, like the variables, objects, classes, functions, etc. Identifier forming rules of the Python are the it is an arbitrary long sequence of letters and digits. The first character must be letter or underscore. Upper and the lower case are different. The digits 0 to 9 are allowed except for the first character. It must be a keyword. No special characters are allowed other than the underscore, and space is not allowed for creating an identifier. Now we will see some examples of the identifier. These are some valid identifiers. That is grade EP, AY, underscore is married, underscore to, underscore update. Identifier can start with underscore, but it cannot start with a number. The following are some invalid identifiers. That is grade hyphen pay. The hyphen cannot be a valid identifier. If is a keyword, so it cannot be a identifier. 12 underscore 2018 underscore file. So it is starting with a number, so it cannot be identifier. Roll number dot. The dot is not allowed for a identifier or a defining a name of a variable. Dollar James 007. The special character cannot be used for identifier. Roll underscore number, roll space number, space is not allowed for a identifier. So these are all the invalid identifiers. Literals of the or public values. Literals are data items that have a fixed value. Python supports several kinds of literals. That is the string literal, numeric literal, Boolean literals, special literals, none, and literal collections. String literals. It is a collection of characters enclosed in a double or the single quotes. The string literals we can define in a single quote or a double quote. Examples of string literals are the double quotes Python, double quotes Magambo, and double quotes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and few examples more. In Python, both single character or the multiple character enclosed in quotes such as double quotes KV, comma, double quotes KV has double quotes asterisk, double quotes plus are treated as the same. Numeric literals. The numeric literals in Python can belong to any of the following numerical types. That is the integer literals. It contain at least one digit and must not contain decimal point. It may contain plus or minus sign. Types of integer literals are the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 50 is for negative integer. Plus 100 is for positive integer. Octal, it starts from symbol 0 0 followed by letter O. For example, 0 10 represent a decimal 8. Numeric literals, number equals to 10. If you will print the value, print bracket num, it will print the value 8. Hexadecimal, it starts from 0x, 0 followed by letter x. Num equals to 0 if you will print it, it will print the value 15. Then numeric literals also consist of floating point literals, which are also having fractional form and the exponential form. It is also known as real literals. Real literals are the numbers having fractional parts. It is represented in the two forms, that is the fractional form and the exponential form, exponent form. Fractional form, it is signed or the unsigned with decimal point. Example, 12.0, comma minus 15.86, comma 0.5, comma 10.0 will represent 10.0. Exponent part, it consists of two parts, mantissa and exponent. Example, 10.5 can be presented as 0.105 into 10 to the power 2, which is equals to 0.105 E02, whereas 0.105 is mantissa and 02 is the exponent part. Boolean literals. A Boolean literals in Python is used to represent only two values, Boolean values, that is the true or the false. These are the only two values supported for Boolean literals. Example, is married equals to true, is type is married. So it will return the Boolean value, any true or the false value. Special literal none. The Python has one special literal, which is none. It indicates absence of value. In other languages, it is known as none. So it is also used to indicate the end of list in Python. Salary equals to none, type bracket salary, and class none type. Operator are some symbols that perform specific operation when applied on variables. Take a look at the expression, that is the operator 10 plus 25, in which the 10 and 25 is the operands and the plus is the operator. Above statement is an expression, combination of operator and operands. Operator operates on operand. Some operator requires two operand and some requires only one operand to operate. Types of operators. Unary operators are those operators that require one operand to operate upon. Following are some unary operators. That is, plus is the unary plus, minus is the unary minus, tile is the bitwise complement, and not is the logical negation. Types of operators. Binary operators are those operators that require operand to operate to upon. Following operators are some binary operators, that is arithmetical operator, plus for addition, minus subtraction, multiplication, asterisk, forward slash for division, percent for remainder, double asterisk for exponent, double slash for floor division. Bitwise operator, ampersand bitwise and return 1 if both inputs are 1. Cap bitwise XOR, return 1 if the number of 1 in the input is odd. And pipe, that is bitwise OR, return 1 if any input is 1. And shift operator, the double arrow, left double arrow is the shift left, and the right double arrow is the shift right. Identity operator is operator and is not operator. And relational operators is less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to. This is the equals to or the equality operator, and which is called the exclamation equals to is the not equal to operator. Logical operators are the and, or, and not operators. Assignment operator is equals to, forward slash equals to, that is for quotient, assigning quotient, plus equals to is for assigning sum, minus equals to for assigning difference, asterisk equals to for assigning product, double asterisk equals to is for assigning exponent, and double slash equals to is for assigning floor division. Membership operators is the operator in, where variable in sequence, and not in, where the variable are not in sequence. Punctuator. The punctuator symbols that are used in programming languages to organize sentence structure and indicate the rhythm and the emphasis of the expression, statements, and the program structure. Some punctuators which are used in Python programming are double quotes, hash, dollar, at the rate, square brackets, curly brackets, equals to, colon, semicolon, parenthesis, comma, and dot. Expression. An expression is a legal combination of the symbols that represents a value. An expression is generally a combination of operators and operands. Example, expression of values only 20, 3.14. Expression that produce a value when evaluated a plus 10. A variable in combination with a integer or a floating point value with a operator. It will make a expression. Another example is salary, that is a variable with a asterisk arithmetical operator, then a value or a integer variable, integer value, then slash, forward slash, which is the division operator, and 100 is a integer value. Statement, which is a programming structure that does something. that is some action takes place. Example, print welcome to Python. Above statement calls the print function. When an expression is evaluated, a statement is executed. After evaluation of an expression, then we will generate a statement, or we can execute a statement. Some action takes place. A equals to 100, B equals to B plus 20. Then comments additional information written in a are not executed by the interpreter. These are the some set statements which are written within the programmer for the purpose of within the program for the purpose of the programmer, and these are non-executable statement and not to be executed by the interpreter. So comments contain information regarding statements used by the program flow. Comments in Python begin from hash. So Python supports three types of comments, that is full line comment, inline comment, and the multi-line comments. Full line comment, and this is the hash. This is the program of volume of a cylinder. In inline comment example is area equals to length into breadth, and in the right side we will write hash calculating area of rectangle. Multi-line comment is example 1 using hash program name, area of circle, hash date colon, this is the date, and hash language. So we will use the hash for also writing the multi-line comment. Multi-line comment can also be used with the triple quotes. That is example triple quotes, and then we will write all the comments within that, and then we will enclose it with the triple quotes also. Then we will talk about the L values and the R values. The expression L value, the expression that comes on the left hand side of the assignment is the L value. R value is the expression that comes on the right side hand of the assignment is the R value. L value refers to the object to which you can assign value. It refers to the memory location. It can appear in the left hand side or the right hand side of the assignment. R value refers to the value we assign to any variable. It can appear on the right hand side of the assignment. L value and R value. For example, valid use of L value and R value. 100 equals to x equals to 100 and y equals to 200. Invalid use of L value and R value is 100 equals to x. We cannot put the value on the left side and the variable or the identifier on the right side. It is the invalid use of L value and R value in the terms of Python programming. 200 equals to y, which is also wrong, and expression a plus b equals to c. This is also a wrong indication, or you can say a wrong usage of L value R value in the Python programming. Note, values cannot come to the left of assignment. LHS must be a memory location. Okay, thank you.